Welcome back, folks, to Oak Brothers Garage Life with Porsche episode. Long time no see, long time no new episodes was on the channel. It's because of all this virus happening all around the globe. Actually, I'm going to body shop again. It could be a fourth time when I'm visiting a body shop, because I'm coming there, filming few shots and leaving, because as you maybe know, the body shop is located 100 kilometers from where I live in my hometown. So it's not that easy that I can jump in, jump out from a body shop, so I need to plan the visit. So yeah, here are the shots from the first day of my visits, and I hope you enjoyed an episode. It could be a short one, but more focused on body work. Grab a snack and enjoy the episode. All right, it's a week around when I dropped Porsche. As you see, it's on the back. Actually, guys did many things. They disassembled the doors, removed the door handles, removed the back window, and a lot of fun other stuff. So yes, so let's go and check it out what's done. The car, everything is off. Doors here, windshield is out. Actually, guys did these wires out, so they unscrewed everything under it. Here you can see. And they also removed a few things from the interior, actually what is left of interior. So yeah, they removed this side, everything will be painted here. All these spots will be sanded and made a clean one line, not like with a brush, like black. Yeah, so there will be a paint. Here everything will be sanded and made a great stitch. We decided that we will apply the rust protection under the car. So tomorrow they will make all things under here. They will mask all the stuff, and I think they will apply this protection and can start working out of the car. And that's a first week recap about Porsche in the body shop. Tomorrow, guys, we'll dive more in the process, because they expected me that I will come tomorrow, but unfortunately I made it today. Thanks to everyone who is watching, of course, to those who are leaving thumbs up, appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to see how the Porsche is changing the color. Now I'm working on the gas tank again, removing the old paint. Here you can see it's rust under it. I'm using this paint remover. All right, I'm back in the hometown. There is no Porsche leathers on it. The reason why a car is on the lift, the guys will prepare underneath of the car. We will spray absolutely new coating, the rust protection for it. They also find some places where there's holes, there's a rust. Also, when they clean it up inside, there was a lot of sound insulation, the old one, so they removed. They also find these holes, so they will weld them. On Friday, I think underneath of the car will be sprayed. Works happening on the car. We can go and check Volkswagen, which I showed you before. There you go, it's finally on the wheels. Stuttgart wheels. Looks similar to Radiforms, I think. The color is custom from House of Colors. It looks actually really amazing on a sunny day. Today is a bit cloudy, unfortunately. But overall, for the old Volkswagen, it's restored really well. Guys, I arrived just in time. Guys started applying the rust protection, so let's go and check it out. So the guys finished. Now they leave it to dry. We did arches here, all four. Sprayed also this cross member, which I made and welded with a friend. Everything is covered freshly black. And it looks absolutely fantastic. I like. And tomorrow, actually maybe today at evening, they will spray the smirk salt. As you see, the all suspension are out, and it's here. Also the tube is out, so I can work on it while guys painting the car. Here's the front. So it's the next day. I already made to the workshop just in time. Guys was prepared to spray the smirk salt, so let's go and check it out how it's done. Heading to body shop, so it's third week. Car is in a body work, and actually guys did a lot of things with the car, with the shell. It's already sprayed with the primer. Here we are. Porsche is just rolled out to see how it looks outside. Alright, so I arrived. The car is out, and car is out because maybe, as you know, if you apply the putty and filler and all other stuff on the car and it sits for some time, especially outside on the sunlight, the putty shrinks, and then when you sand you can just get a much better result if you leave it outside. But when the car goes straight to sanding, after all, when car is painted and out on the sun, then the putty starts to shrink, and a bad result can appear, and the surface start to look a bit wavy, and this is not what I want to see on a car after such a long time period in the body shop. So yeah, car is in a primer, in a black one. So now this still goes for sanding. You guys will sand it one more time. Here in a engine bay they applied already 2 times. This is the second one. They need to sand it. Here you can see it's like a orange skin. Yeah, so it will be sanded and look much even. Yeah, overall here almost everything is done. As you remember, here was some spots when we drill off the bracket for power steering. Interior is painted, not painted but applied in filler. A lot of things done on the car, so I think 2, maybe 3 weeks and car will roll out from the paint booth, and I can collect it and move it to brother's garage and start